And I have this strange thing which I do, like, you know, like, I don't know why. It's like, if it's too much of a big deal is being made about something, then I don't want to watch it and I don't want to see it. I don't know why this happens to me. Like, very instinctively, you have to fight it. Like, for example, Breaking Bad, when it came out, I saw every single episode except for the last one. I still haven't seen it. I haven't seen the finale. You know, the way they were being with that baby and everything, I was getting irritated with them only. Like, you know, the way they were making us watch it, like drug addicts and all. I was like, nahin, the last episode. I don't know why. And then I never ended up watching it.
Bro, ये million view वाली reel.
I don't know. Now I'm like, I won't even remember.
No, this is... I relate to it, but had I said it, मैं तो ostracize हो जाता कि तूने finale नहीं देखा
कर दो मुझे ostracize, क्या है?
और किसी चीज के साथ किया आपने कि just till the end
Deny myself, just at the end.
ये बस
Extreme edging. I can't remember. But I do this. Like I'm seeing Succession का final season I haven't seen. Even though I was really enjoying the show. I do this sometimes. याद आएगा तो मैं बताऊंगी in conversation.
आपने किसी फिल्म में किया ये? You know what? I'm liking it so much. Intermission. Bye.
No, I don't think I've done that in a film, but it has happened to me a couple of times when that a film like the first time I watched In the Mood for Love. This is a very funny story in the sense like it's funny now to me. The first time I watched In the Mood for Love, I think I was in college, and we were poor, hungry students, and they kept eating noodles in slow motion, and I was so hungry that we had to leave. We had to leave and go get food.
Damn.
Then came back and of course watched it several times since.
In the Mood for Love का जो soundtrack है, Yumeji's theme, that is the soundtrack of my life. Like I just play it all the time when I'm reading Murakami or anything.
Yeah.
That one track.
It's interesting you mentioned Murakami because Murakami, like our man Wong Kar-wai, their Western influences are strong. Their Western cultural influences are strong, so they're almost more accessible to us who also have a certain Western set of references.
Absolutely. आपको पता है लोगों ने playlists बनाई हैं of Murakami that Murakami is a big fan of jazz. तो उनकी like books में jazz references बहुत होती हैं. So every song which has been ever used in a Murakami book, आपको उसकी Spotify playlist मिल जाएगी. And then people use that playlist to like read his books.